Okay, hello everyone. I wonder if I'm gonna do a voiceover. I think I look kind of okay, but I'm gonna start. I'm gonna be bleaching, dyeing my hair, bleaching my hair, or whatever. But people be like, this isn't a bleach. But once I see developer and powder, it's bleach. But I'm gonna be dyeing my hair with this box dye, Creme of Nature. Oh, in the center, Creme of Nature, and hopefully it turns out this color. I think I might dye it this color, and then I might dye it again, some ginger color. But this is what it says. Like, my hair is this color, so it might reach it to here, but I kind of want it there, I guess. So we'll see. In the box it comes with like this 30 volume developer, this ammonia free colorant, I guess this is what the color is, and it comes with this. So I guess I put them together and put it in my hair. But first, I guess I'm gonna section my hair first and come back. So I'm reading the direction, and it says, y'all know how we have this? It says, for lightest blonde or light golden blonde, you add the packet in. But it says you only really need this and this, but for lightest blonde you add this in, and then you shake. So I think I want lightest blonde. I want lightest blonde, so that's what I'm about to go for. Okay, I'm done. I'm nervous. So I guess I'll do the back. I'm gonna go get my mirror. Okay, so I'll put it all in, but I feel as though I didn't put enough product in, so I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna put some more at the back. I feel like I'm gonna regret it. I honestly did not need to do this again. I feel as though I was very impatient. So I'm gonna put some more, and then I'm gonna put, because I feel like it's turning. Okay, it's already changing to like a color. Like this is how it looks so far. So I feel like I'm gonna add the rest of the dye in it now, because it's already like a color that I want. But I like this color. Ooh. So I'm gonna start. Back, so we're gonna see how it looks. I'm gonna spray this. I'm gonna blow my hair out, and I might do a little style because I'm gonna go somewhere right now. It's like 10 o'clock, but I'm about to go somewhere. But I'm gonna put this in it, and then I'll put this in it later. When I washed my hair, like I didn't use my own conditioner. I used the conditioner that came with the box, and when I washed my hair, like when I washed it out, like it didn't feel good. Like if you're black and you have like maybe 4C, like 4B hair, and you've ever used Cantu, like it feels like using Cantu. Like honestly, that's what it feels like. So I don't know, I won't ever use that again. I have my own like shampoo and conditioner that I use from this brand. It's from Jamaican Castro Oil. I have a shampoo, conditioner, and a treatment, but I should have used this instead of what came in the box, because I didn't like how my hair felt. But let's see how my hair looks. I mean, I already saw how it looks, so I mean, oh, there's some patches in it though, but I kind of don't mind the patches. Like, okay. You know why it looks so white? Because I literally put the shit on I put it on my forehead. Like, I put it on there. Like, I put the bleach in. But okay. I mean, I ain't know it was gonna look like this, but let me go FaceTime my friends. So after like wearing the hair for like a week or so, I didn't like it. I thought it was like too loud for me. So I wanted to go back in and just dye it. And yeah, I bought this honey brown Adore dye. I believe, yeah, it's honey brown number 48, and I'm gonna use this to just dye my hair. So this is all it is. This is got a little white bone. What is it? And I'm going to rinse it out. crazy is when I was bleaching my hair, it turned this color. Like, I don't think I recorded it, but it turned this color, and I liked it. And I was like, oh my god, this is how it looks. Period.